We're about 30 minutes from Atlanta, so I have no idea what the traffic is going to be there. How much hound is in this little guy? This is Draco. He's my buddy for the next 6 hours, give or take. He's not real happy about the crate, so he feels restricted and confined, and he's not happy with me at all, but he's okay. He's a fine, fit young whippersnapper. He's just voicing his opinion right now. He will calm down. He's a good guy. He's a sweet little boy. When he's not in the crate, he actually is calming down now. So he's just in a new environment and a new situation, and he's letting the world hear about his displeasure. All is well. We'll take care of him. We'll update you a little bit.